Alright, here we go. Another quick looking around. You can hear the wind getting a little louder now. Slight drizzle, nothing major though. It's already done the job though on the trees because, as you can see here on my front, this was not like this before. Checking the mail. I don't know if there is mail. But, oh, there's mail. We get gusts here. I mean, it's up here in Brewster, it's no worse than a typical day. I think it's not going to hit us for a while still, the worst of it. And fortunately, we have power. Oh, here comes it. Not that exciting. Oh well, we'll try again in a few more hours.